Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in granite and it looks great. I really love that gray metallic color. You do have the black accenting on the front. It gives it a very nice look, and you do have that Dodge logo there as well, with halogen quad headlamps hanging out here and your fog lights just down there. They are very bright. Now coming around the side, we do have 17-inch rims with Kumho brand tires, still lots of tread left on them, and the black and silver rims look very nice on it. You have heated exterior mirrors here in the flat black, and coming all the way around to the back, you do have your Dodge logo and your Grand Caravan with your backup camera hanging out just under there. And if you pull this guy, you do have lots of room back here as well. It is indented and your mats are right there. We can move those out of the way for right now. Lots of room back here, very soft. You got some additional storage just in there. And these are stow and go seats, so you just gotta follow the instructions. You gotta pull one, pull two is right here, 3 is this guy, and 4 is this one right here. Fold that down just like that and it lays flat, and you got lots more room. You can do the same with the other side or all of them, or whatever you might want to do. Okay, we got our keys here. So we got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. You do have your lock button just up there, but if we unlock, we can jump on in. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. With the windows, you can roll down all of them, which is pretty neat, and you do have the back windows that can vent. Not all the vans have that. Got big chrome accenting here, a handle here with some leather, very comfortable. Some storage here and some more right down there with a water bottle holder. Lots of room in here, is very spacious and comfortable. These seats are very soft and squishy. We go on long car trips. You also have the controls over your lights, so you have your daytime running lights, your off, and your your off and your daytime running lights, as well as your fog lights in the center and your in-cabin light control right there. And right up here, we do also have the options over our windshield wipers, our high beams, and our turning signals. Okay, let's start her up here. So key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Now we also have that guy right in the middle that does tell us how many kilometers we've been. Only 3,500 kilometers, not very many at all. You can change that around for your trip A and your trip B, your distance till empty, your kilometers, your liters per 100 kilometers. You got the temperature outside, and then back to the kilometers. That is controlled from your steering wheel here with your voice recognition, your call out button, horn in the center, and cruise control options on the other side. And around the back of the steering wheel right here, you do have a volume up and down, which is very nice to have. You do have your gear shift right here and a 6.5-inch touchscreen display. And when you do shift into reverse, you do have that backup camera keeping you safe. Now on this guy, we have AM, FM, and Sirius XM all on there with our call out and our voice recognition buttons right here, our radio, our media, and our volume up and down. You got your loader right here, slides down just like that, looks very cool. And you can put that back up. You got your menu here, you got your audio, you got your files. It does have internal storage, so you can put music right onto the radio, which is really, or right onto the player, which is really nice, and then you don't have to have a disc with you or anything. You can also, right down here, you have your climate control, so you have where it's going to blow out of. You have a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can change the heat or the cold right there. And then you also have your power here and the rear controls, as well as right here we have the defrosts and all that. We have our econ mode, we have our hazard lights, our power button, and you also have your traction control options there. Under here we have a bit of a storage for a CD or whatnot. Then you got some storage in here with some plugins. You can also close that up. You do have your cup holders here and some more storage just over here, which you can also close up and give it a nice sleek look. You also have a dual layer glove box, so top layer and a locking bottom layer. Very nice to have. If someone did break in and it was locked, you would be all good. You do also have your sunglass holder there with a mirror and the lights right here. Okay, let's open this guy up here. In the back here, tons of room. It does seat 7 all together. Seats are very comfortable, the same material as the front. You do have a 9-inch entertainment system here, so you can press that button. You got your screen right there. Very nice. You can close this guy up now. As well, you do have stow and go seats here, so you can open this up just like this, fold it up into the air, and then all you gotta do is pull this one. It folds all down like that and into the ground. And then you fold this back over top, and now it's out of the way. You can do that with all the seats, and you can get them real flat. That is your back seats there, and it does have your cup holders right over there. And right on the other side here, we do have a HDMI plug-in, the AVI plug-in, and some USB plugins if you want to hook up a game system. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.